Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to lock a PDF against edits using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Safeguarding sensitive files is crucial, especially when sharing documents you do not want others to modify. Adobe Acrobat Pro DC provides a simple method to secure your files by setting up a password that limits editing capabilities. To begin, launch Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and open your specific PDF. Just go to the top menu, select File, then Open, and find your document on your computer. Once the file is visible, look for the menu icon in the upper left corner of the interface. With your document ready, it is time to adjust the security settings. Click the menu and choose the Protection category, then select Security Properties. This window is where you will define your document's safety rules. Within the Security Properties box, find the Security Method drop-down menu. Click it and pick Password Security from the available choices. This step tells the software you want to use a password to protect the file. After selecting Password Security, navigate to the Permissions area. Here, you can block specific tasks like modifying or printing the file. Find the checkbox labeled Restrict Editing and Printing of the document, and make sure it is checked to enable these restrictions. In the Printing Allowed menu, you can choose None, Low Resolution, or High Resolution to control if and how the file is printed. Pick None if you want to disable printing entirely. Similarly, use the Changes Allowed section to define what edits are permitted. For maximum security, select None to prevent any alterations. Once these settings are adjusted, move down to the Change Permissions Password field. Type in a robust password that you will use to manage these settings later. Keep this password safe, as you will need it to change permissions or remove the lock in the future. When you are finished, click OK. A confirmation box will appear. Click OK again to proceed. You will then be asked to type your permissions password one more time for verification. Enter it carefully and hit OK. Then follow any remaining prompts. Finally, save your work by going to File and selecting Save or Save As to apply the new security. You have now successfully restricted editing on your PDF with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, ensuring your document remains exactly as intended.